Alright, this is how to remove and clean the filter in the PTAC, which is your heating and cooling unit for this condo. So the first thing is, you grab the front face of the unit, there's this panel here, and you just lift up, and then you pull it back straight. It should just come off easily. Set that aside. The filter is this aluminum piece down here, so just slide it out. If you see dust in here, you would want to take that over to the sink or the bathtub and just spray it out. You don't got to scrub it or anything. The dust should just come out. Let it dry, and then when you're done, always remember to put it back in, because if you're not filtering the air that's coming into this thing, that's you're just going to be breathing in all that dust. So then once it's in, it just slides back in. You're ready to go. And you can put the front face back on. So same as before, except in reverse. Just take this, put it up here, over the little lip on the front. Sometimes you got to fight it a little bit. Make sure these tabs can you see? Okay, so make sure these tabs fit into the slots on here. You might have to bend this part a little bit. There. And then once that's good, it should slide down. And you're good.